Good day, everyone. This is Mr. Tangert, and this is my introduction into addiction. Addiction is a state in which an organism engages in a compulsive behavior. This behavior is reinforcing, meaning rewarding or pleasurable. It can also mean a loss of control and limiting this intake of this compulsive behavior. When most people think of addiction, they think of drugs where there's needles, pills, or drinking. But addiction can be many different things: food, internet, shopping, sex, work. These are all addictions that people suffer from. Up next is a video from a YouTube channel called The Science Show, and he's going to explain what goes on in the brain that causes addiction.
The chemistry of addiction takes place mostly in the brain's limbic system, the set of structures at the center of the brain that controls our emotional and behavioral responses to the information we receive. It's often referred to as the brain's reward center, and it responds to new information from the nervous system by releasing chemical messengers called neurotransmitters that pass signals from one neuron to the next, or to another kind of cell it wants to activate. Your brain produces at least 100 different neurotransmitters, and we're finding new ones all the time. But the most important neurotransmitters when it comes to addiction are the ones that are released when we do something that's key to our survival and success. Once they're done getting the word out, they're usually reabsorbed back into whatever neurons they originated from. There are two major kinds of neurotransmitters, and in a healthy brain, they're pretty much in balance. There's excitatory neurotransmitters, which get their target cells all fired up with chemical energy, and there's inhibitory neurotransmitters, which keep their target cells calm and mellow.
Addiction in America is a serious problem, and so I'm going to show you some statistics to back this up. Let's take a look at some statistics of addiction in the US. And you can go ahead and read through these, but what I want to point out is an estimated 21.6 million Americans needed treatment for substance abuse. That's a lot of Americans. And the sad thing is, only about 2.3 million people received treatment that they needed. And that's sitting around 10% of people are getting help that need it. And so that just goes to show, if you know someone that needs help, that it's important to be able to know the resources to be able to help them find help. I want to end this video on giving you an idea of what addiction looks like, faces of addiction. It can do a lot to the mind and the body, and so here is a few pictures of what it can do to somebody.